Hi, it's LeJanaro back with another video. Today I want to show you how to make a really quick and easy weekly template in Microsoft Word. So like a weekly planner template. And this is my disclaimer before I get started. There are probably way more easier ways to do this in Microsoft Word. But I'm just going to show you a really quick and easy way that you can do it. If you know of an easier way, let me know. I'm always looking for tips and suggestions on how to do things. And I also do this in Canva as well. I know I say this in every big demonstration video. I am going to show you how to do these things in Canva as well. All right. So first thing that you do, open up Microsoft Word. And I always like to change my margins, make them a little bit more narrow so I have more room to work with. So I go to Layout, Margins, and I always change my margins to narrow. All right. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go back to, second thing, I'm going to go to Home, and then I'm going to change my alignment to Center here in the paragraph group. And I'm going to type week of, and then do like a short little line, something like that. All right, I'm going to press enter twice, and I'm gonna go back to my left alignment. So now I'm going to go to insert table. I'm going to go 2 by 7. All right, and you actually don't have to highlight to do this, but I'm so used to. I came from that era where you had to highlight everything in Word. I came from the Word Perfect era. Believe it or not, I might have just told my age, but yes. So I'm going to go to in the Table Tools menu. I'm going to go to Layout. I'm going to change my height to 1.2. I think that's good. Yeah, 1.2. If you change it too big, then it'll start to carry over onto another page. All right, so this side is going to be my days of the week. So I'm going to go ahead and type in Monday, all right. So I got my Monday through Sunday over on this side. So now I'm going to do some tweaks to this side. So what I'm going to do, I want to separate this into 3 sections. So I'm going to highlight the first 2 boxes. I'm going to go over to the Table Designs menu, go to Borders, go down to Inside Horizontal Border, right? That's the first one. And I'm going to type Top Priorities, right? So I'm going to go down to the next 2, highlight the next 2, do the same thing. Borders, inside horizontal borders, goals, and then I'm going to do the next 3 borders, inside horizontal borders, and this will be notes. All right, and essentially I'm done. Now since you are doing this in Microsoft Word, instead of typing the week of, you might want to just go ahead and type out whatever that week is. So let's say the upcoming week, and I'm just making up something, week of July 30th, 2022, right? You can make this pretty, make it a little bigger, right? You can do bold, you can change the font. You know, whatever you want to do. I don't know why I'm still scrolling, but let's see. Let me just do Arial. You can change the color, right? Do the same thing here. You can select your days. You can do bold. You can do italics. Customize this however you want to. All right. So this is a quick and easy way that you can make a weekly template in Microsoft Word to keep up with your weeks. All right. So if you have any questions, feel free to put them in the comments below and I will answer them to the best of my ability. If you like this video, click the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell so you'll be notified each time I post a new video. And also share this video with someone that you think may find it beneficial. All right, I will see you in the next video.